What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa and summer is here. Finally, 2020 has been such a weird, tough year and I cannot wait to actually enjoy the beautiful summer weather, to go outside, have fun, and of course to rock some amazing new hairstyles. Today's video is all about the trendiest men's hairstyles for the summer of 2020. In the beginning of the year, I had a feeling that longer sides were gonna be trending in 2020, and I was 100% right on this one. Quarantine changed most of these trends and made most guys accept a longer hairstyle like me. So let's go over these trendy hairstyles right now. And just a reminder that we are about 10K away from 1 million followers on Instagram, and I'm so pumped, guys. This is a huge milestone for me. The moment we get to 1 million followers, I'm doing the biggest giveaway that I've ever done with 10 winners. So give me a follow, it's at Alex Costa. I'll leave the link to my IG in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump into the list here of the top men's hairstyles for summer 2020. Number one, the hairstyle that has taken over social media, the middle part or the curtains. I called this earlier this year and I was right. I knew this would be huge in 2020 because the fashion trends are very tied into the 90s, which means that the hairstyles would also follow the 90s trends. And in the late 80s and all of the 90s, this was like the go-to hairstyle. Look at River Phoenix's hair in Indiana Jones, look at David Beckham's hair back in the day, and look at me when I had no idea what the heck I was doing with my hair. There is hope for everyone. The trend is super popular now on TikTok, you know, with all the e-boys rocking the new style. My hair is definitely long enough for that. I mean, I could probably rock it, figure out a way to do it somehow. But should I try to rock it? Should I try to rock the curtains again? Because I obviously failed the first time. Or should I get a cut and go back to my old self? Let me know, guys, because this is getting out of hand. Number two, the Messy Fringe. This is one of the easiest hairstyles to maintain. Your sides need to be somewhat short, and then you can leave the top long and messy and even coming all the way down to your nose. This is a great hairstyle to hide a receding hairline. Just let the top grow and then hide it by pushing the hair forward. You know, it doesn't look gimmicky, it doesn't look weird, it doesn't look like you're trying to hide it. It actually looks good. It's a nice, easy way to look younger if you feel like your hairline isn't great anymore. Or if you just have a hairline that you don't like as much. Nice, easy way to hide it. Next, good old classic quiff. The best thing about this hairstyle is that you can't go wrong with it. It will always look good. It will always be trending. It's a masculine, classic cut that will never go away. The best thing about this cut is that it makes you look more like a man and less like a boy. It's not edgy, it's not cool, it's elegant and it's classy. You can have this hairstyle for pretty much any occasion, whether you're all dressed up or in a casual t-shirt and jeans. Just make sure that you style it properly with the right product. And as you guys know, I've just launched my new hair product, the Forte Series Molding Paste, which is absolutely perfect for this hairstyle and for so many other hairstyles on this list. The paste has amazing hold, it is buttery smooth, and it smells incredible. And it comes in this beautiful new packaging here that was completely redesigned, all right? Tens of thousands of you ordered and loved the Forte Series Clay, and I can tell you right now that the paste is insane. If you're ready to upgrade your hairstyle, you need the right products, otherwise it's just not gonna work, and this is it. Plus, besides the paste, we also launched 3 new products at the same time. All right, the Forte Hydrating Argan Oil, which makes your hair feel so soft, smooth, it gets rid of frizz, and it smells like $1,000,000. You apply this to your hair right after the shower, and you immediately you're gonna notice the difference. It gets so much nicer, so much softer. And then we have the clarifying shampoo and the hydrating conditioner. They both have a peppermint scent, and when you're in the shower, it just feels so relaxing. It's like a spa, you know, it clears you up, like it's energizing, it's awesome. It makes your hair feel and look extremely healthy. This is the base to any hairstyle. You can't just try to have a good hairstyle if you're not cleaning it properly. So this will do that perfectly. Finally, guys, I've been working so hard on this brand and on these new products, and I'm so happy that they're finally ready for pre-order. So check out the link below and get yours now. And because of COVID, we only have a limited amount of each of these, and we're doing a bundle sale right now with a huge giveaway as well. So these products are selling fast. All right, check out the link in the description or go to forteseries.com to pre-order yours right now before they sell out. Number 4, the buzz cut, the manliest hairstyle of them all. And of course, made even more popular by girlfriends all over the world who had to cut their boyfriend's hair during quarantine. I pulled off the buzz cut for years and I loved how easy it was to maintain. I envy guys with buzz cuts sometimes when I see them because, you know, the grass is always greener, you know, so I envy that zero effort, zero time wasted doing your hair sometimes. But I'm also probably not ready for that buzz cut again anytime soon. I think I would definitely miss having longer hair. So I don't think I'm ready, but let me know. What do you guys think? Then we have number 5, the blonde dreads. This hairstyle looks awesome. I see dudes rocking this in LA all the time, every single day, and it always makes me smile. It's a dope hairstyle and it gives you a cool, edgy look. It's one of those hairstyles that makes you think, man, there's no way that people can pull off this hairstyle, right? If you see it in a magazine or on Google Images. But then you see it in person, you're like, wait, it looks really good. That looks awesome. It adds so much character to your look, so much personality. It's very eye-catching. So if you're trying to stand out, this is a great way of doing that. Next up, of course, the messy medium length hair. This hairstyle is also super trendy because the guys who didn't want to get a buzz cut, a haircut during quarantine, ended up with this longer, messy hair. And I'm not mad, it looks awesome. I'm kind of getting there myself with this length right now. I haven't had a cut yet and it's getting a little crazy. Not medium length yet, but it's also not short. You know, my hair comes down to my chin here and I have to make a decision. Do I grow it out a little bit longer or do I cut it? Tough choice, not gonna lie. This hairstyle was obviously super trendy during Game of Thrones because of Jon Snow, and now that celebrities are rocking longer hairstyles everywhere, it just keeps popping up, right? Just remember what you need to do though, because you need to maintain this hairstyle to make it look great. And I can tell you, the Forte series Argan Oil will completely change this hairstyle. It's gonna make you feel like you got all new hair when you apply this. It is insane the difference that it makes. Next up, clean skin fades with natural curls. Guys, curls are in. I've been seeing them everywhere. Used to be that like straight hair was a thing. You had to have straight hair if you wanted a cool hairstyle. Nowadays, I see a lot of guys who have straight hair and are actually curling it. And it looks awesome, it looks really good. If you have natural curls, that's obviously even better, a lot less maintenance, a lot less work. But if you don't be afraid to curl it. It looks amazing. And I know some of you are tired of the longer sides, tired of not getting a haircut, so you're gonna go with the skin fade. And that's what's gonna make this cut super trendy this summer. And one of my favorites, the modern Pompadour with the skin fade. Like I said, yes, longer sides are in right now, but because the barbershops are finally starting to reopen, I know that a lot of the guys with the longer hair here on the sides will want to get a fade immediately just to change it up. But the way to change it, to make it more modern, is by adding, you know, a little skin fade to make it look cool, make it look young, and of course, make it look clean. You're definitely gonna need some length up top if you want to do that hairstyle, and you need some volume, you know, so of course, apply a heavy hold type of product to keep your hair in place. Guys, I'm so happy that these products are finally out for pre-order. I've been dreaming of this day for so long. This was, to be honest with you, a very stressful launch because of this crazy pandemic and there's so much going on. So, you know, I really appreciate all of the support. We've had thousands of orders over the past week and I'm so proud of my team for crushing it with the new designs, with the new products. So excited and I cannot wait to ship them out to you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa because we're getting closer and closer to 1 million and I'm gonna do that big giveaway. And of course, if you learned something new, if you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button below to become part of the YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.